In this video, I want to talk about how you can hide drawings inside of TradingView. Now, to hide the drawings, what you want to do is open up any chart, and let me just quickly make some drawings on this one. So let's say you have some drawings and you want to hide them, or you have made some of these and you want to hide them. There's a simple way that you can do this. On this little icon here, if you click on this, it's going to hide all of them, and then you can click again and it's going to show them. If you click on the little arrow here, you'll be able to hide indicators, or you can hide drawings only, or you can hide positions and orders only, or you can just hide all by clicking on this one. So that is basically how that works, guys. Like I said, if you only want to hide some of them, you can just click on this one. So now my indicators are gone. Now the indicator is back, and that is how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.